Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to my little corner where today I look like a poodle because we're going to try out a product from Nutree Professional called the Brazilian Botox. So it's a hair Botox and it's supposed to help calm your frizz and craziness like what I have going on here. Now granted, the first step of doing this process is washing your hair without using any other product after it. So I have no conditioner, no heat protector, nothing, and the only heat this hair has seen is the blow dryer. So it's definitely in its worst form currently, but what we're gonna do is go ahead and try this stuff now. You always wanna make sure if you do get this, and they have different sizes available, and they have some that can also color enhance. So if you need to get the brassiness out of your hair, they have that mask. If you want to make your browns more rich, they have that mask. So, and then they also have another product. Hold on. I have been loving this. It is the Magicliss Amazon List True Smooth, and it's really good at protecting your hair, healing it, taming that frizz, and it smells amazing, and detangling. I mean, like, it honestly, I love this stuff, so I'm really excited to see what this mask will do for me. So it says, after washing the hair with deep cleansing shampoo, which I used Olaplex, apply the Brazilian Bondox Expert in the hair, leave the product in the hair for 20 to 40 minutes, rinse, and then brush the hair with a blow dryer, and then use a straightening iron afterwards. Okay, so one of the things that I saw is it said you need to leave a little bit of the product in your hair when you rinse it out. So inside the package we have our sealed product, and then we have a little pamphlet here. Yes, okay, these directions are much more detailed. That's what I thought. I was like, I watched a video. So yeah, it says wash the hair with any anti-residue shampoo, pH 9 or more, dry the hair 100%, and then section the hair into 6 parts. Apply the product in all hair and leave the product on for 30 to 40 minutes. And then when you rinse, you actually want to leave some of the product in there. And then it says to blow dry the hair with a round brush. I'm going to use my blow dryer brush. And then to section the hair into parts and flat iron the hair, and then you're done. So you're supposed to have smooth, beautiful, flat, gorgeous model hair. We'll see how this goes. And then it says to straighten your hair afterwards. It tells you to section it out. Make sure you use like thin sections, and that will help finish the smoothing process. Okay, so diving right in here, we've got another. I love how they have it like fully sealed, so you don't have to worry about leakage in your packaging. Can I get this open with these claws though? Alright, so it looks like a deep conditioner, nice and creamy and white. It says to wear gloves, so I probably don't want that on my wrist. Alright, so I'm gonna section my hair. I have fairly like thin hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do 4 sections, even though it says 6. I'm a rule breaker. And I have twins sleeping upstairs. You never know how long that will last. Okay, I now have my hair sectioned off, so I'm gonna go ahead and place my gloves on. And then I used to like tone and also highlight my hair, which never goes good. Toning goes okay, highlight, no. But anyways, so I kept the brush for toning, but I'm trying not to do that either. So anyways, here we go. I'm just gonna start to apply, and I'll just speed this up. Okay, so I think I have this fairly well saturated. I'll probably go in here a little bit and add to it. Just maybe like where I was scared to go too close to my face, like mess up my makeup, like that little piece right there. Let's see if I can coax it back with some product. There we go. Just kind of in between the layers. But I would say this product does this size would do 2 applications on my hair. I do have thin hair, but I have a ton of it. I have fine hair, but I have a ton of it. I have fine, thick hair. Does that make sense? Lots of little bitty tiny pieces of hair. Okay. That thing is now a mess. Daddy's home. Perfect timing for me to let this sit on my hair for about 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna go rinse it, leave a little bit in there, and then probably dry it with my blow dryer a little bit, and then go in with my roller blow dryer, because that you're really not supposed to use with like soft and wet hair. So I think that's the way I'm gonna do it, and then I will come back to you after I'm done straightening my hair, and hopefully we'll see a beautiful transformation. Okay, so I'm not done yet. I wanted to come to you guys because I have only blow dried my hair a little bit, which was not in the instructions, and then went at it with my Foxy Bay dryer brush. It's a round brush, I feel like that counts. And this is the least amount of frizz I've ever had before, like going in with a curling iron or a straightening iron. I am getting ready to straighten it. I just wanted to show you, like, this is ridiculous. Do you see that? It looks freaking really, really good, but I'm gonna straighten it. I'll be right back. This is ridiculous. Honestly, I've never had more fun straightening my hair. Now, granted, I was extremely satisfied with the results after the round brush, but this is ridiculous. My hair never looks like this. I honestly was straightening it and was like, hello, Jennifer Aniston. Like, my hair never looks this smooth. I usually curl it to disguise the fact that I have extremely frizzy hair. I love this. I'm gonna be a straight mama. Now, I will say, make sure you're in a well-ventilated room, because I guess the fumes off of it do kind of bother my nose and my eyes a little bit, and there's like literally no ventilation in this room, hence it not being a bedroom. Plus there's no window, so it's literally just nothing. And I had the door shut, which really wasn't a great idea. But other than that, I'm kind of thinking this is my new secret weapon. Nutree Professional was awesome enough to not only send me that to try and check out for you guys, as well as this, which was really cool too. They also gave us a discount code, which I thought was pretty amazing, which I'll put up on the screen, as well as down below with the links for the hair mask as well as for this, because I'm telling you, I will be using this every day. It's gonna replace the one I was using, which I don't even remember the name of now. That's how good it is. I am extremely satisfied with my results. I just want to thank Nutree for reaching out to me. I really enjoyed checking out your products. And thank you guys for watching. Nobody would ever send me anything, especially not a nice luxe. A lot of people compare it to like a keratin treatment, so a nice, gorgeous treatment that I still have another application of, I might add, for free, because you guys watched. So thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go for now, but I'll be back very soon. To them, my loves. Bye.